Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2022 Nissan Armada. Here's an overachiever with a commanding presence, the Nissan Armada. This full-size, three-row SUV is a polite powerhouse, offering an upscale interior, smooth, quiet ride, and brawny towing capacity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, keyless start, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, fog lamps, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, wood grain interior trim, lane keeping assist. Feel prepared for whatever the road has in store in this bold and beautiful Armada. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.